Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the phone is unlocked and on Wi-Fi. This ensures the update file is visible. Open Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage to list itemized files. Once there, scroll for the iOS update entry labeled with a version number. Tap that update to reveal its details and storage usage so you can confirm it's the correct package. Once done, choose Delete Update. That immediately removes the downloaded installer but keeps your settings intact. After tapping Delete Update, you'll be prompted to confirm. Accept the deletion to remove the installer package from local storage. Once confirmed, restart the iPhone to clear any temporary cache and ensure the system releases the storage. When the phone reboots, return to Settings General iPhone Storage to verify the update no longer appears and free space reflects the change. If you want to prevent automatic redownload, adjust automatic updates off in Settings General Software Update. Complete the process by disabling automatic updates so the installer won't be downloaded again. Go to Settings General Software Update Automatic Updates and toggle it off. If the update still shows, perform a force restart. This often refreshes the storage index and removes phantom entries. If problems persist, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to manage backups and remove update files. That gives deeper control over system packages. Remember, if you encounter
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.